In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent rows in Smartsheet effectively. Whether you're organizing a small project or managing a complex task list, indenting rows can help you create a clear hierarchy within your data, making it easier to understand and navigate. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this with ease. First, the process begins by selecting the row you wish to indent. You do this by clicking on the row number located on the left side of the sheet. This highlights the entire row, indicating that it is selected and ready for the next step. Selecting the right row is crucial because indenting will alter its place within the structure of your sheet, giving it a very specific relationship with the rows around it. Once you've selected the correct row, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Smartsheet interface. Here, you'll find an array of tools designed for managing and formatting your data. Look for the Indent button, which is typically represented by a right arrow icon. This tool is your key to creating that hierarchical structure we talked about earlier. Clicking this button will shift the selected row slightly to the right. So, what exactly happens when you indent a row? Well, the action transforms the selected row into what's called a child row of the one directly above it. This establishes a parent-child relationship between the two rows. Essentially, the parent row becomes a category or group header, while the child row acts as a subcategory or detail beneath it. This relationship is crucial for organizing content hierarchically, allowing you to better manage subtasks, breakdowns, or any other elements that may fit under broader categories. The visualization created by indenting rows can be beneficial in numerous situations. For instance, if you're handling a project where specific tasks fall under larger objectives, indenting helps you quickly convey this structure without needing extra words or descriptions. It's a way to visually communicate project breakdowns, which is particularly useful in collaborative settings, where clarity could significantly enhance team performance. Once you've indented a row, you may notice that tasks or items organized hierarchically are more convenient to track and update. This is especially handy when you're juggling numerous components of your project and need a straightforward way of understanding their relationships at a glance. And there you have it. Indent your rows smoothly and efficiently in Smartsheet by selecting your desired row and simply clicking the Indent button in the toolbar. With these straightforward steps, creating an organized and visually intuitive layout in your project sheets becomes an effortless part of your workflow. I hope this tutorial helps you harness the power of Smartsheet more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy indenting!